Welcome to Fitting Instructions with MAX6MUM Security. I'm Joanna and this is Max.
Good day, civilians!
Today we will be showing you how to fit one of our high security narrow door chains. All you need is an electric drill and a...
Here you go!
a pencil. Thanks, Max. The pack contains a chain, the chain holder, the receiving plate and screws. Place the chain holder inside the door frame to a height that suits you. Then mark the holes with a pencil. Now make your pilot holes. Take your holding plate and your chain and join them together. Line it up with the pilot holes and go ahead and screw them in. So you get the receiving plate and join it with the chain in the centre, like so. Line it up to the holding plate and mark the holes with a pencil. So just like before, go ahead and make your pilot holes. So make sure the circular cut is facing the chain holder. Now go ahead and screw the screws into the door. So to test if your door chain is working, pop it through and open the door. We recommend only using the door chain when answering the door, in case you require an emergency exit while leaving your home. Thanks for watching.